Hello guys, I have a 2-minute questions for us to solve. Very interesting, very simple, still on circular motion, but in a different way. Okay, please, if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, if you're yet to follow the Facebook page and TikTok, do well to do that, and also share the video with family and friends, right? And let me know at the comment section how interesting is this to you. Let's go there. What is the period of the motion of a runner going 9.2 meter per second on a circular track whose radius is 22 meters? Okay, they ask us for period T, right? Now recall that my V is what? If you've been following me, you should be familiar with this relationship, right? The next thing is my angular velocity is what? 2 pi f, right? Good. So what I'm going to have is v is equal to 2 pi f r, right? Also recall that f, that is frequency, is what? 1 over period, right? So if I replace it here now, what am I going to have? My v is equal to 2 pi r over t. So now they ask me to calculate period. What is period? So that means I need to make t the subject formula, right? By cross multiplying. So I have vt equal to 2 pi r. The next thing is divide both sides by v. This will cancel this. So my period, this is the relationship I'm going to use. This is what I'm going to use to find my period. Okay, now let's see what we have in the question. Okay, this is my v, right? So my v is equal to 9.2 meter per second. Okay, this is my r, my radius r is equal to 22 meters, right? I know that pi is a constant. Okay, so what I'm going to have, period t is equal to 2 times what? 3.142 times my radius is what? 22 divided by my v is what? 9.2. You see, so you multiply everything up, you divide by what is down. So my t is equal to 15.0 seconds, right? This is my answer. If you do this correctly, this is what you are going to have. You see, very simple. Is because I was just trying to derive the relationship before we arrive at the final one. That is how I got to 3 minutes, right? If you find this interesting, let me know at the comment section, right? Do well to like, share the video with family and friends. Thank you. Stay with me. Okay, let's go again. Bye.